Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix set time automatically grayed out on iPhone. So if your time set automatically is grayed out or the date set automatically is grayed out and you want to fix it, all you simply need to do is this. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down the settings, locate and click on screen time. Now, two things are involved. It's either you turn off the screen time or you remove passcode from your screen time. To do this, just go ahead and click on screen time passcode, turn off screen time passcode, confirm the screen time passcode, and then once screen time passcode is turned off, go back to the main settings page, click on general, scroll down, click on date and time, then you should say set automatically grayed out now fixed. And that's it. So that's exactly how to set date and time set automatically grayed out on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.